Okay, so I've been talking about doing this for a while. It's minus 26 outside right now, so feels like a good day to do it. So Mary is going to help me put together a table, and this is part one, really. Part one of my streaming build, because I need a desk to set that all up. So as I come downstairs, we're gonna just build it in here. And Mary's laying on the couch already. But this is it. This is a AnthroDesk, I guess. So we're gonna build it, and then we're gonna move it into the other room, and then I'm gonna use that as my base to start setting up all the components. So you may not necessarily need to see the build, but we'll go over the desk once I get it in there to show you how it works, and then what we think. Part one. Okay, so now I have to just check if I think I have a plug-in down there for it, so I gotta make sure it actually works. Hold on. Heyo! Okay, so I got something on here. I'll have to read the manual, but ready? It says AST. I don't know what that means. I don't know. Hold on. A couple more seconds. Okay, so first and foremost, it looks like reading the instructions, right? It looks like there's an app called Sit. Can you see that? Sit Stand Desk that you have to download. So maybe that's a thing. So I'm going to download that because it says an app for your desk. Strange, right? Okay, I'm going to download this and we'll go from here. Click the code, language settings. Function introduction. Alright, it's downloading. Actually, it's downloaded. Alright, open. You guys can't necessarily see this, but open. Sit desk would like to use Bluetooth. Okay, I'm down. So, U-disk connection. First scan the QR code on the U-disk. Alright, there's a QR code at the bottom, so I guess I have to do that. Hold on. Okay, so there's like a little dongle, and you scan that, and then it's like, it says settings, control, can this raise? Can I raise it or lower it? Settings, change favorite position, custom setup, inches, yeah, sure, minimum height, sure, tabletop, floor, okay, yeah, good, me, currently standing, no, tells you where you are, and calories burned, what? Check that out, how bizarre is that? All kinds of stuff in there. I don't know, am I actually controlled, connected to it? I don't want to disconnected. Connecting. Okay. Sync information. Okay. Alright, I'm going to play with this and I'll be right back. Okay, so the manual strikes again. It says hold it down until... There it goes, till it sets. Now it stops. I thought it said AST, but it's RST, which is reset. So now... You guys are getting higher. And lower. And in theory, that would also mean that if I was in this app right here, and I said settings, I could say change custom setup, centimeters, yep, control. So let's say I'm like, can I just raise this? I can raise it with the app. How sweet is that? So I'm going to put it maybe like around there, okay, and I think I can just set that, nope, so that's going back down. Okay, I need to set it, so I want to set this at about 83, 81, 81 is good, I think. So I think I come in here. Okay, so I figured it out, I'm holding buttons too long, so basically you get it to the height you want, then you tap the S button, which is for memory, I guess. And then you hit whatever button you want it to be there. So for instance, I've set number 2 for like when I'm going to be doing something that I want to be able to hear the speaker, because the speaker's right there. But normally I'd want the table a little higher, so that's going to be my primary. So I hit 1, and she comes up to the height I want. You know, it's great. It's a great table. It's a perfect size for me. I'm glad it wasn't any bigger. But I think for a lot of people, this would be an excellent size. You know, I'm going to now be able to have... I'm going to bring my TV over a little bit more so it's centered. This is going to fit nicely here. I don't know what I'll do with these shelves. I'll figure that out down the road. But I do think, because the shelves are there, if I have any extra gizmos and gadgets that I need for doing the live, this is good. And... not that it's perfect, but if I need to go work on this computer, I can still easily just kind of come in here and work away. So, right? Yeah, that's handy. That'll work. All right, guys. I'm happy with this desk. I am. Took me a little bit. This is the AnthroDesk. Yeah, we're starting our live build. How exciting is that? That's super exciting. All right, guys. Tomorrow, I think, possibly, maybe. I will start, I'll put a laptop on it. I'll have to decide which laptop I'm going to be using. And hook that into the monitor. And then capture cards. Oh, it's happening. It's happening. Alright guys, I'll put links down to where you can get the AnthroDesk. Because it's good value, for sure. This just so you know, this desk here I bought. Which is bigger, for sure. It's bigger. That thing cost me like, I can't remember, $600, $700. $299. That's ways better. Oh yeah. Links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that little notification bell, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later. Just needs feet. Feet on. That's a good shot for the camera.
I didn't know I was there.
That's the best shot for the camera.
No.
Yes, so good.